Alright guys, I'm back at the B-Series Thunderbolt. I'm filming this again just so I could get a better view of it because last time you couldn't really tell that it was B-Series. So I'm getting a better view. Last time there was like 3 cop cars over here. Now there's 1 cop car right there. I don't know where the cop is at, if he's like in the car or not, but I don't really care. This thing...
Is this actually very, very loud?
Not really, but you can see the hook on top of it. All B-Series Thunderbolts have that. And I'm talking about the horn, the one on the horn.
Yeah.
All B-Series Thunderbolts have that. That's how you know it's a B-Series horn. I have this just in case.
Are Thunderbolts old?
Very. From like the 1950s. These ones are from the 80s. I hope these people don't care that I'm filming on their yard. But if they do care, that's not my problem. I have to keep that there. I need this video.
You're not really on the lawn.
Well, my camera is, but... Well, actually, wait, yeah, the fence, yeah. The fence is our boundary. How about that? 57. It's always like a New Year's countdown when I'm at Sirens. Although my hearing protection is unnecessary, I'm gonna still put it on.
Hey, you're not special now.
Bolt. I wonder why that cop is even there, though.
I'm doing the drunk test. See if I got drunk off of Dr. Pepper.
I forgot how long this goes off. Usually it's like, I think, 1 minute.
Yeah, the cop has to test me for the drunk test. I've been doing a lot of Dr. Pepper and Coke, okay?
Sounds about right.
Yeah, you're not on the lawn. This is not the lawn.
Yeah, the fence is the boundary. And maybe that pole. Well, actually, no, I'm past the pole. It's 10:59. I'm gonna start filming.
I'm joining.
All right. There's a ducky. There's a ducky. Watch Michael jump once it winds up. It's gonna be funny. I like how this is mounted basically in the middle of the road. Still 10:59.
That dog has a frisbee in his mouth. But dead.
Good for it. He's right under it. That's gonna scare the crap out of him. It's 11. Come on, don't fail.
Yeah, give it one big whack on the butt.